as you can see, I got the ET1 going a minute ago. I was just fiddling with it and it started up. So the ET6 quit in the same time. It was running pretty hot, so it might be out of fuel. I will fill it up and restart it here. The ET7 is still on the first fill and has been running nice and slow, except for that time it quit while I was starting the ET6. And it just needs a little bit of fine adjustment a little bit to keep the mix in. So. Yeah, the ET6 is out of fuel because it's been running so hot today. I will have to see. I think the little adjustment I may have been mistaken to turn that clevis in one turn, so I might turn that clevis back out again on the valve here, so we'll see. The other thing is the ETX on the side, you can see a big tank or bottle next to it. I have, oh, and there the ET7 just quit. Maybe it's running out of fuel finally. I'll have to look at that. The ETX, I have a reservoir set up to try and get some cooling water through it to see if it runs. So we will check that out in a minute. Yep, the ET7's out of fuel now. It ran for 45 minutes or so with the one governor spring removed, so that was an improvement on its run time.